Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing well. In this video, we are working with the company Wig Fever hair. They were so kind enough to send me out their 20-inch body wave lace closure wig. This is everything that came in my package, so it came with some nice goodies. And here we have the wig, so I'm pulling it out for you. Again, it is a body wave wig. It's I want to say it's a 5x5 lace closure. I'm going to have the correct information in the description box. But this is their pre-cut, pre-plucked wig, so it's easy to wear. It has an elastic band in it. All you literally have to do is put it on and go. You can see it's pre-plucked. I did not pluck anything. As you can see here, this is how it looks. The only thing I did was bleach the knots, but I did not pluck this hairline at all, y'all. So you literally can pop this wig on in 3 seconds and get out the door, you know, once you style it, of course. But yeah, y'all, like, as you can see, if you know, all you gotta do is put you a little foundation on. You know, like if you're my shade or darker, you may want to add some concealer or foundation to the lace just to help it blend with your skin. But literally, it's glueless, y'all. Pre-plucked, super easy wig to install. This is great for beginners. I did some pretty bombshell curls on this wig to style it, and yeah, y'all, again, this install super easy, y'all, super easy. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All in all, I enjoyed this wig. I had no issues with this wig. The knots bleach greatly, but if you don't want to bleach your knots, you don't have to, because the knots, they come single knotted, so they're very fine and look super natural. So you don't have to bleach your knots, but I did. So yeah, but yeah, again, I love the wig. I had no issues with it. Yeah, if you're interested in this wig, or if you're interested in checking out the company, all of their information and the specs for this wig is in the description box for you. And yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Again, big thank you to Wig Fever hair for allowing me to try this wig. I really appreciate it, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I want some of your about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Someday I'll brown sugar.
Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Give some of your brown sugar, babe. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave.